Now, meteorologist David Boyd.
The weather is quiet this morning, but it could turn very active over the entire southeast, especially by midweek. Tomorrow, the threat goes up to a 30% chance, and there's a moderate risk of severe thunderstorms, or a 50% probability just to our west around London, Knoxville, Nashville, and Huntsville. That's the bullseye for tomorrow, and those storms are going to be moving into our area as well. So lots to track over the next 24 to 36 hours. And here's a look at futurecast starting tomorrow morning. It looks like we're going to be seeing some strong to severe thunderstorms in the area tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow night. And so because of the potential, we have our severe threat tracker in the high mode for tomorrow already, and we're also concerned about the possibility of a few tornadoes in the general area. There is a 15% chance that thunderstorms could produce tornadoes in the Tri-Cities region overnight tonight, but still a 26% chance of a tornado with this storm, and that's pretty high whenever we're talking about.
Exactly.
And then up to the north, also some strong rotation, a 37% chance of seeing the tornado as well. So the wind shear is actually increasing in the atmosphere right now. A lot of times storms actually die down at night, but there's so much wind energy in the atmosphere that these storms are actually still intensifying some.
Yeah, I mean,
and we're still seeing rotation over the Emory community. We'll zoom in a little bit more to show you some of the other areas around Meadowview, Glade Spring, Chilhowie. Need to be taking shelter right now. You want to get to the lowest floor of your house. If you don't have a basement, get to an interior room, put as many walls in between you and the outside as possible. Stay away from windows. We were talking about this for days, about how the threat coming together, and there's so much wind shear in the atmosphere. We've got very warm, lots of warm, moist air, and then this strong cold front coming through. Still seeing some rotation around approaching Boones Creek and Piney Flats. So let's do some storm tracks on this to give you some more of the communities that will be affected by this storm. Not necessarily a tornado, but at least by the storm. And these are continuing to move off to the northeast at about 65 miles an hour or so. So here's, looks like Bristol's going to be getting hit again. Here's a look at some of the other communities, including Tri-Cities Airport at 1036 and Piney Flats by 1039. And again, as I mentioned, the possibility of it moving into Bristol again by 1048.
the one that is crashing with some tremendous amounts of hail the way it sounds right now over top Bristol. I'm not sure if that isn't like strong winds. Obviously the hail that we are hearing now up to 1 to 2, possibly up to 2 inch, 1.5 to 2 inches in diameter right now. And that is now moving through the Bristol area, obviously downtown Bristol, and continues to move off to the northeast. Very strong signature now with rotation right through here.
The latest, a 35% chance of a tornado right now.
This is a real dangerous storm. You need to be taking cover now. So,
Dave, we have a new tornado warning.
Okay.
For Greene, Washington County, and Tennessee, and also Unicoi County until 11:30.
Let's go ahead and zoom back down into that area, and oh boy, look at that. That's pretty impressive. So right now, it would look like our tornado would be, you know, somewhere in this general area right here, and you can see about right in here.
63% chance now.
Yeah, I mean this is a large. I mean we're getting some high percentages on these supercells for the possibility of tornadoes. Doppler radar indicating a tornado near Glade Spring, which we've been showing right there.
Yeah, still some very strong rotation right over Glade Spring.
When that update came out at 1:14, it was near Glade Spring and moving. Really, it looks like right along.
Now Chilhowie.
So folks in Chilhowie need to be taking cover.